Am I visible? Okay. Thank you, Mr. President, fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests. It's a privilege to do my first induction of new members after becoming a VPA membership. So today is a very special day for our club. After the new term, this is the first time we are inducting 2 new members. So with that, I will start with the proceedings. It's our duty and privilege to induct 2 new members into Bahrain IT Professional Toastmaster Club. This is an important occasion both for these new members and for the club. These individuals have come to Toastmasters seeking to improve their communication, leadership skills, and we now have an opportunity to help them learn, grow, and achieve what they want to do in their career-wise, as a personal front, all aspects. I will now call our new members forward and ask them to join me in the Zoom meeting. Otherwise, we would have called on the floor in a normal scenario to the lectern. Please withhold your applause until the ceremony is completed. Now, I would like to invite our first member to be Toastmaster Mohammad Shafi and Toastmaster Riaz. Toastmaster Jitin, yeah, sorry. So Toastmaster Mohammad Shafi and Toastmaster Jitin, can you please come forward if it is possible? It's good to stand and take the vote.
We have when we post videos on the channel. Please, everyone should be a video on.
Yeah. Okay. Toastmaster Mohammad Shafi and Toastmaster Jitin, you are joining a worldwide organization that has helped more than 4 million people learn to communicate more effectively. As a member of Bahrain IT Professionals Toastmaster Club, you will benefit from the proven program of self-development. You will become part of an outstanding group of people who are dedicated to helping one another in a spirit of sharing the enjoyment. Mr. Vice President Education, have these new members given an opportunity to discuss as well as the obligations of membership? Mr. VP,
yes,
Education.
Yes, Mr. VP membership. We have already conducted that, and details will be given to them at later stage, inshallah.
Okay, okay, thank you. Who have been, at the same time, if I may ask, who have been assigned as a mentors for these new members?
Sorry again?
Who have been assigned as a mentors for these new members?
The mentors are DTM Hisham Jeffrey and DTM Archana Jalan.
Okay.
They are they are our mentors for our club, for any new for all the members over here.
No, he's actually asking Toastmaster Ahmad who has been assigned as the mentor for this particular new member.
The same two.
Okay, anybody can volunteer. Let us do a convention very different way. Anybody can volunteer right now. I can ask for the confirmation. That's not an issue.
Toastmaster Gangadhar, I can be the mentor.
Yeah, fine. Even I can be the mentor for one of the member. So I would ask myself and Toastmaster Santosh to stand as a mentors, as experienced Toastmasters. You have been asked to help these new members get off the good start. Do you accept this responsibility and pledge to share your knowledge and experience with our new members so that they can immediately begin to benefit from their Toastmaster membership?
I do.
I do. Thank you. Now, membership in this club and in Toastmasters International is a privilege that carries in many rewards. Yes, it also places certain obligations upon you as a members because you are here to learn. We are a group of people brought to do things we could not accomplish alone. So that's one point I want to make as an addition to the standard script, that yes, we do learn a lot of speaking skills on the online, internet and everything. But the most important thing is we need live audience. the live audience we are fortunate to have only in Toastmaster platform to listen to what you speak, what you want to do. So in addition to that, as our collective obligation to grow and improve ourselves and to share our knowledge and experience with fellow members in a spirit of enjoyment, which is another key in the Toastmaster point. This means you must work diligently your own self-development, evaluate other speeches in a spirit of support and sharing, assist the club in reaching its goals, remain positive and keep smile on your face. We ask you, our new members, to dedicate yourself to personal growth, to share this great gift with your fellow members, and to help keep this Toastmaster Club strong and dynamic. Please stand up again, the new members, and please repeat the words which I'm going to say as a pledge to be taken by Toastmasters. Toastmaster Mohammad Shafi and Jitin, can you please take this pledge? Repeat the words, what I'm going to say.
Yeah.
I think if I'm doing first time, my last call, maybe you have to raise your hand.
Yeah.
Yeah. I. Can you please? Yeah. Please say your names, please.
Muhammad Shafi.
In the presence of, in the presence of fellow members of the Bahrain IT, in the presence of fellow members, please repeat the words, please, whatever I say.
In the presence of fellow members
of the BITP Toastmasters Club,
of the BITP Toastmasters Club,
make this firm obligation
may this firm obligation
to attend meetings regularly
to attend meetings regularly
and prepare fully for each assignment to apply myself to the projects outlined
to apply myself to the projects outlined
in the Toastmasters education program,
in the Toastmasters education program,
to participate actively in club activities,
to participate actively in club activities,
to evaluate others in a
evaluate others in a
positive, constructive manner, to build open, friendly relationships with my fellow members, and to bring other new members into the club so that they can also gain the benefits of Toastmasters. Thank you, Toastmaster Mohammad Shafi and Toastmaster Mohammad Jitin. Sorry, Jitin. Would all club members please stand and repeat your club's pledge to its new members? Whatever is possible, sitting, standing, but preferably standing. Okay. This is only applicable to the members. Guests can sit, still continue to do. We, the members of the BITP Toastmasters Club, pledge to support you in your quest for self-development, to provide you with positive, helpful evaluations, to maintain friendly, supportive atmosphere, to give you opportunities to help others, and to make your Toastmaster membership a rewarding and fulfilling experience. Thank you, everyone. And now you may clap for the new members. So please clap yourself and welcome them to the club. Ideally, we should have given a Toastmaster membership certificate and a pin for the new members in a physical environment. I'm sure we are going to send an electronic membership certificate to the members. I wish both the members all the best, and we are waiting for the member. This is the first time maybe the member who has been inducted is giving the speech to